Hello everyone. My name is Sandeep Yadav. I'm a Senior Business Development Manager for Toronto School of Management. And today we are doing a live session for Apple Abroad Solution. So the session is all about the study in Canada and Toronto School of Management and how Toronto School of Management can benefit you in saving money and can provide you the post-study work permit. Hi Deep, how are you? So talking about Toronto School of Management, Toronto School of Management is a private institute located in a downtown location of Toronto. Being in a downtown location has a several benefit to the student. The first thing is that they will have all the amenities near to the campus. So being in a downtown location, we are on a college street, which is famous for University of Toronto as well. So University of Toronto is also just a walkable distance away from Toronto School of Management. The CN Tower is just behind us, and the Rogers Centre, which is one of the biggest stadium available in the entire Canada, is just a walkable distance away. We are near the Ontario Lake, so we call it a waterfront. And Eaton Centre, which is one of the biggest mall in North America, is just a walkable distance away. So being in a downtown location, when you study there, you have an advantage of just going to all the amenities. Apart from that, you will be able to learn about the new culture because the downtown location has a diversity. So the students from around the world or the people from around the world come to the Toronto city to do their work or study. So in this way, if a student is studying with Toronto School of Management, they have an advantage of learning a culture from a different country, which will give them the professional or personal growth in the future. Also, being in a downtown location, you have an advantage of getting a part-time job, because being in a downtown, there are so many jobs available for students for a part-time and a full-time. So students do not have to travel much. For example, if you're staying in somewhere else or you're studying in the other area like Brampton or other areas, then it may possible that you have to travel a lot for your part-time job. Whereas if you're studying at Toronto School of Management, being in a downtown location, there are ample of jobs which are available here. Okay, apart from that, let's talk about the benefit we are giving to the student. So right now, due to the COVID-19 situation, we raised $50,000 Canadian dollars to support our students who are currently studying with us, and we are giving the International Student Award to the student who are planning to come to Canada, maybe in 2020 or maybe 2021. So that is open, but the condition is that students should make the payment by the 30th of June. 30th of June. Okay, let's talk about the program now. So Toronto School of Management has different programs. We have a business, hospitality, big data science, cyber security, and accounting program. So talking about the program which has the pathway today, that is the topic for tonight. So the Toronto School of Management has the first program, that's a diploma in business administration. This is a 1-year program. In this 1-year program, student will be studying for 6 months, and 6 months they'll be working in a company. And while doing a work in a company, we call it a co-op. So the co-op placement is guaranteed from the Toronto School of Management. Once student complete this 1 year, student has an option to study their bachelor degree in two different universities, the University of Canada West or Yorkville. These are the two universities which has an option, so student will be getting entry into the second year directly. Apart from that, a student can do diploma in business management, which is a 2-year program. The fee for the 2-year program is like 14,500 Canadian dollar, but student who make the payment in the month of by the 30th of June, they have to pay 7,500 Canadian dollar. That means 3,750 Canadian dollar what they have to pay. So talking about 3,750 is less than 2 lakh rupees. So it's true that you can pay 2 lakh rupees is your fee for the 1-year program, guys. This program you'll be studying for 16 months, and 6 months you'll be working in a company. So the advantage of working in a company, that once you complete your the 2-year diploma with us, you'll be getting a 3rd-year entry into the university in a 2 different universities. The first one is University of Canada West or Yorkville. University of Canada West will provide you a BCom education. Location is Vancouver, and Yorkville is in Toronto only, and they will provide a BBA in project management. So for both the program, we are accepting students from humanity, science, commerce with that, commerce without math, and science, medical or engineering both. So medical or non-medical both can apply for the programs. We are not looking for the maths in your 12th grade if you're looking for diploma in business management or business administration. And the other advantage of doing this program is while you complete your co-op, and after that you start studying with the university, you will be working in a same company, or you can work in a different company, but anyone will be happy, any company would be happy to have an employee who have a Canadian experience. That is the sole purpose of providing you the co-op option, right? The benefit is by the time you complete your bachelor, you will be having at least 1.5 years of Canadian experience on paper in hand, so that if you look for a job, which is required for the PR purpose also. So you look for the job, you will get a B category or better job, so that you don't have to waste much time on your experience. The another advantage in this program is that you'll be getting a two different education. The first one is a diploma, because you'll be getting a diploma in business administration or diploma in business management, and a degree that could be a BCom degree if you study with the University of Canada West, or BBA degree if you study with Yorkville University. So this is the one option. The other option we have is that is the ACCA program. It's a preparatory course in ACCA. So we have three organizations in the world. The first is CA, which work in South Asia. We have CPA, which works in Australia and New Zealand. And ACCA is the UK-based organization. So Canada is also accepting ACCA. So Canada has a huge requirement for the accounting student. So the benefit of this ACCA is, if a student do a CA in India, it takes 5 years for them. So ACCA total duration is 2.5 years. Apart from that, in CA, if you fail in one subject, so you have to reattempt the entire semester, not in just one subject. Here in this, the opportunity is that if you do a ACCA and if you by any chance you fail in one subject, you can resit for the same subject. You don't have to repeat the entire semester. Apart from that, in the ACCA, we teach for 3 months, and 3 months is the official break. So in the official break, you'll be working in a company as a full-time employee. So the benefit is you will be studying and taking a Canadian experience during your education. Okay. If a student fail in one subject, we allow them to resit. We do not charge for the classroom. We just charge them for the examination fee. If student has performed good during the classroom test and have a good attendance, then we allow them. Now, the rules say that out of 13 subjects in ACCA, if you complete 9 subjects, you get an additional degree from Oxford Brook University. That is the BSc Honors Accounting degree, right? So it takes 1.5 years to complete 9 subjects. So a student will be getting a bachelor degree in just 1.5 years, guys. So it is not possible anywhere in the world to get the bachelor degree in just 1.5 years. Whereas when you study with Toronto School of Management, you have an advantage of getting a bachelor degree in 1.5 years. So the student has this bachelor degree and these 9 subjects completed. They'll be directly eligible for studying at UCW, University of Canada West, for MBA. That means they have to study 1.5 years more and they get an MBA degree. So in total, they get 3 years. They complete bachelor and masters, and they will be getting a post-study work permit with this option, right? So diploma in business administration leading to a bachelor degree, diploma in business management leading to a bachelor degree, and ACC education leading to a master's degree will get you the post-study work permit. The student who say that the Toronto School of Management do not provide the post-study work permit, we have these options now, guys. It's not that we do not have it. We do have the option to get a post-study work permit now. Now, if a student will be studying with any of these programs, you will be getting a 2 or more education. Reason being that you will be getting a certificate and a diploma from Toronto School of Management and a degree from the universities individually from where you complete your bachelor or the master education. A student who is 12th pass has an opportunity to complete MBA just in 3 years after their 12th. Now, the admission requirement for ACCA is that a student should have maths or accounting in their 12th and English. So maths English or accounts English should be 65 and rest of the subjects should be 50 above. Okay. So a student from a commerce, the arts background with maths can also apply. A student from account definitely can apply. A student from science stream with maths can also apply for this program. Apart from that, we do have some other programs. We do have 3 professional programs, that is Diploma in Cyber Security, Diploma in Data Analytics, Diploma in Digital Marketing. All the 3 programs are for 1 year. This program help you to get into the the individual industry. For example, somebody want to become and specialize into cyber security, or someone want to be a data analyst, or someone would like to be a digital marketing, right? So these are the programs which will give you each and everything which you require to do a job in your particular market or particular category. These programs are for 1 year. In this 1 year program, you'll be having approximately 4 months of co-op, right, which is guaranteed from Toronto School of Management. Apart from this, if we talk about the program, we do have a hospitality program. We have a 1 year program and 2 year both. A 1 year program has 6 months study, 6 month work, and a 2 year program has 16 months of study and 6 month work. That means while you study with Toronto School of Management, you have an opportunity to work in a company into your own industry, and that to be guaranteed from Toronto School of Management. How we guarantee co-op? We have 100 plus partners with us who are ready to hire a student from Toronto School of Management. We help you in getting preparing you for the interview, conducting your mock interview, helping in building your resume, and helping you building your LinkedIn profile, because LinkedIn profile plays an important role in when you look for a job in Canada. Okay, so these are all the things which we're going to help you out throughout the Toronto School of Management journey. And we have the programs where you have an opportunity to study and the work, right? So we like you will find so many universities and colleges in Canada who say that they do have a co-op option. So that means they have the co-op option, but you have to look for the the co-op by yourself. And if you fail to find a job in co-op, you fail the subject, fail the course, right? But here we are giving the guarantee that you will getting a co-op through us. So far 100% student has got the co-op, right? So you can take the advantage and the benefit. After that you can go to any university. If you go to any public college, it takes approximately 20,000 per year, so 40,000, that's what they charge for a 2-year diploma. Here in the similar fees, 45,000, 47,000, you can complete an entire bachelor degree, right? And guys, 2 lakh rupees is the fee for the year. It's in fact less than 2 lakh rupees. Reason 3750 is the 1-year fee for diploma in business management program. That means it is less than 2 lakh rupees. And Apple Abroad Solution is a authorized partner with us, so they have the entire knowledge of the program and the visa process and the admission process. So I request all the students to definitely apply to Toronto School of Management through Apple Abroad Solution, because they have the knowledge how to do the admission process and how to do the visa process, and they have a knowledge. They do have a very good visa success rate. So looking forward to see your all questions now. So if you guys have any question or anything, please ask me so that I can help you and answer your questions. Let's see who all are there. So we had it. Rakesh. Hi Rakesh. Hi Pranav. Thank you so much. Thank you. Appreciate that. So if you guys have any question, please tell about the course for the student of science non-medical stream. Pranav, as I said, diploma in business management is available to everyone. A student who is from non-medical stream can definitely do this program. 2 year with us, which has 6 months of co-op included in 2 year program, and 2 year with the university will give them the diploma and a bachelor degree, and also a 3 year post-study work permit. The IELTS requirement for Toronto School of Management is 6 band overall, and 1 module 5.5 is acceptable. Okay, and for ACCA also the requirement is the same. So the academic percentage we're looking at, the last education is 50%. For the business program, hospitality, data analytics, cybersecurity, and digital marketing, we're looking for the percentage of 50 and above. We do not see in the core subject. Overall percentage should be 50. It shouldn't be 49.9. It should be 50 at least, the minimum requirement. So any other question? Samad has asked 3-year diploma students are eligible. Samad, there is a way of completing a same 4-year education in a 3-year. If you take a 2-year education with us without co-op, and if you go with the bachelor education, definitely you can complete a bachelor education just in 3 years. So after that you are eligible for the post-study work permit. And 3-year diploma, if it is after, yes, 3-year diploma students are also acceptable at Toronto School of Management. Right now, we are accepting Duolingo, PTE, TOEFL, IELTS. If you have any other exam also, like IELTS indicator, so we are accepting all the exams. So as per the requirement, for example, Duolingo, we are looking for 95 and above to take admission at Toronto School of Management. What the PR success is after the course? Geeta had asked me what the PR success is. Geeta, I'm not a immigration consultant, but talking about Canada, if you have studied in Canada and you get a 1 year of Canadian experience, you fall under Canadian experience class. So the PR chances are very high. If you guys have any other question, please let me know. Samarth, Duolingo is a new thing in the market, so I cannot say what is the success rate. For the admission purpose, Duolingo is acceptable. For the immigration, it's not declared yet whether they are accepting Duolingo or not. But as per the news, CIC has said that they can accept, incomplete application. So the only thing which is incomplete in student application is the IELTS, because they are not conducting it. So definitely you can apply and you can try. But for the admission, I can guarantee that you'll get admission. But immigration, you have to look with your consultant, or you can talk to Apple Abroad Solution. Geet, thank you so much, Geet. I appreciate that. Summer, these program we have a co-op that is guaranteed from our end, and the employers say that if you perform good during your co-op duration, they can keep you as a full-time employee. So you definitely have an opportunity to work in the same company. Rakesh has asked me, is IELTS with 5? No, Rakesh, IELTS 5 is not at all acceptable in Canada. I don't think so anyone can accept it, but at least Toronto School of Management cannot accept it. So we are looking at 6 overall, and 1 or 2 module 5.5 are still acceptable. We are not accepting even overall 6 and 5 in one module is also not acceptable in Toronto School of Management. Rakesh, as I said, 5 IELTS is not acceptable. The IELTS requirement is 6 overall, and 1 module 5.5 is acceptable. Even though if you have 2 5.5, that is acceptable, but 5 is nowhere acceptable. You're welcome, Rakesh. So if anyone else has any other question, please ask me, guys. Seems like no one has a question. So guys, it's my humble request to definitely apply through your agent. Do not apply directly, and apply through Apple Abroad Solution, which is one of the authorized partner with Toronto School of Management in Amritsar. So you can definitely contact him or contact them and start your application as soon as possible, because this offer price is just till 30th of June. The student who will be making payment till 30th June are acceptable. After that, the fees will be revised back to the 14,500 for the 2-year program, right? Okay. What are the countries open for fall? Agru has asked me what are the countries open for fall 2020. So Agru, I'm not sure, because I represent only Toronto School of Management. So if you can contact the counselor, maybe they can help you out, like which all countries are available. Thank you, Rakesh ji. Thank you so much. Thank you, Rajesh. So guys, definitely contact Apple Abroad Solution for your admission procedure, admission queries. If you feel that you want to talk to me, just contact them. They may connect me with you guys, and I'll be happy to help you with all your questions and answers. Thank you so much, guys. Just stay home, stay safe, and just take all the precautions. Agru has me, what are the university acceptance application for? Agru, like I am from Toronto School of Management, so yes, we are accepting it. For the other universities and colleges, please contact to the particular counselor. They can tell you who all are accepting it. I cannot talk about the other colleges and universities. Okay. Fees is valid for only 2 intakes. Avatar, I'm not sure what you're talking about. The fees which I told you, 7,500, is the entire 2-year fees. It's not a 2 semester or 2 intake fees. And a student can take admission in in this upcoming intake, September, November, or maybe in January, March 2021. So we're accepting student for 21 intake also. So the fees is valid, but the condition is that you should make the payment before 30th of June. If you do not make the payment by the 30th of June, you will get a revised invoice for 14,500. So right, if you take admission and pay the fee, you can secure your seat, and definitely you can save 7,000 Canadian dollars. So I'll take your permission, guys, now. Thank you so much. Have a good day, guys. Thank you. Or should I wait? Look like someone is typing something. So let me just wait for 5 more minutes, and if no one comes, then maybe we can just end this session. You're welcome, Avatar. Seems like everyone has just completed their question now. So thank you guys. Thank you for your time.